Today I'm going to show you how I took my Vauxhall Vivaro Campervan build and felted the whole of the insides. So to start with, what I've done is I've just cleared down this whole panel and these wood panels, just cleaned them with a cloth and also sanded them a couple of times just to make sure that they are as clean as possible, to make sure that the glue sticks. So what I've got here is I've got this long section of felt, and this stuff is 4-way stretch. So apparently once you've got it stuck up onto the sides of the van, it becomes super easy to kind of like mold into all of these areas here. Another thing I thought I'd mention is I actually put plastic over the windows and just gaffer taped around the side, just in case there's any bits of glue just like sticks onto them. I don't really want to have to clean that all off. So what you do is, the first thing is that you just spray onto this section, and then you also spray onto the carpet, and you allow the alcohol in this stuff to evaporate off before then sticking them together. There's a few creases here and there in this wheel arch, but I'm not super bothered by it because it's going to be totally hidden, and I'm pretty happy with how that's looking. I just need to do this window now and cut off this excess here so that I can go around this section of the door. And the wall is pretty much done. I'm a little bit annoyed. I haven't gone around the window very well. Some parts are really good, some parts are terrible. As I got further along, I realised I could leave quite a long lip across here, and I've been tucking it basically behind this and then pushing it back up over the top. Whereas when I began, I just tried to cut it really close. You can see here there are some bits of white. That's quite annoying. Literally just drawing a perfect line around here because this bit isn't stuck on, and then our plan is to cut it with scissors so that it's a lot neater edge, hopefully. There we are, that is one finished door for today. The top is actually looking proper good and neat. Very, very happy with that finish. Obviously poked this through so I can open up my doors fully. But yeah, it's looking really good. And actually, if I shut this, I'll show you what we've done. This bit of carpet and that seal connect perfectly. So the inside of the van looks seamless. Really happy with that. What I've got now, I'm just doing the back door, so I'm gonna just clean up this panel quickly, and then I'm gonna apply this spare bit of felt that I've got here onto here, and then I just need to be able to do the doors. Just finished cutting the rest of this door now. I'm actually at my parents' house. I just need to stick this bit down. So I think I'm probably gonna, I could draw and actually cut. I think I'm gonna draw on this and then cut it to size perfectly and cut around this hole so that we can get into this lock here, so I can actually shut the door. As you can see, I tried to slam it on earlier. And then I've just got to stick it all down. Yeah, it looks good. Here's the finished product. Next video, I'll be working on the roof and the vinyl flooring. If you have enjoyed this video, please show some appreciation and drop me a like. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks, bye.